Hey, what's up? This is Dirk from IntelligentCryptocurrency.com. Now, if you want to know about cryptocurrencies, you want to learn how it all works, you want to know how the technology works, how to get involved, how to buy, how to sell, where to buy, how to store your cryptocurrencies, how to do research to find coins that have potential, and how to know which coins you shouldn't invest in, then you're in the right place. Additionally, if you already know the basics of cryptocurrencies, but you're looking for a place where you can get fresh information, you can get weekly and monthly updates, you can get research insights, you can get analysis of new projects, and you can have a community of cryptocurrency investors all around the world that you can interact with, that you can ask questions, that you can bounce ideas off, then you're in the right place. So let me introduce to you intelligent cryptocurrency. What is intelligent cryptocurrency? Well, it's quite simply what I think is the 4 fastest shortcuts to success in the cryptocurrency space. It is over-the-shoulder education. It is the latest crypto news aggregation. It is cryptocurrency project research. And finally, it is community and support. Quite simply, in my opinion, this is the best cryptocurrency education and community that you can be a part of in 2020 and beyond. If you're a beginner, you're going to be able to learn how Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and blockchain technology works from scratch. Okay, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can research projects, where you can buy coins, how to store your crypto safely, and all the various tools and services that you need to be able to work with cryptocurrencies. I'm also going to share with you all the terminology associated with the industry. So all these words that you're hearing that might sound completely nerdy or geeky, or you don't know what's happening with them, I'm going to explain exactly how this all works. Basically, what you get is a step-by-step training to help you go from being a complete newbie and a complete beginner, knowing nothing about cryptocurrencies, to having a very solid foundation and understanding about cryptocurrencies, how they work, where to buy them, how to store them, and everything in between. So let me walk you through what you're going to get when you become a member of Intelligent Cryptocurrency. First of all, you're going to get access to a monthly cryptocurrency newsletter. So every single month, on the 7th of the month, you're going to receive a digital newsletter. This is usually a 20-page publication, sometimes 30, 40, 50 pages. It depends on the issue of the month. But basically, this newsletter contains insights into the crypto space. It's basically my personal opinion, my views, my research. Okay, I share with you the latest updates, the latest developments, and I research potential lucrative projects and opportunities that I discover and share with you in these newsletters. And as a member of Intelligent Cryptocurrency, of course, when you have access to the members area, you will have access to all of the previous published newsletters. So you get instant access to all the previous newsletters right away. And then every single month going forward, you get access to a new newsletter. The second aspect of Intelligent Cryptocurrency is the monthly video updates. So every single month, I will host a video update. I add this to the members area and additional to the newsletter. So the strategy is on the 7th, you get the cryptocurrency newsletter, and 2 weeks later, approximately, you get the video update. So every 2 weeks, you get a very summarized update with the latest developments, all the news. And basically what I share with you is the insights. I go over charts, I look at new projects, I share news. And of course, if there's any questions from you and other members, I will be able to address those in the video. If there's any special requests, all of that every single month. And of course, just like with the newsletters, each of these video updates gets saved in the archive. And as a member, you have access to all previous published video updates. The third aspect of Intelligent Cryptocurrency in the members area is the Cryptocurrency Beginners course. So in the members area is a very detailed 18-lesson Crypto for Beginners course. And what this is designed to do is to help you get up to speed about Bitcoin cryptocurrencies. Basically share with you everything, how it works. Okay, what is cryptocurrency? What are blockchains? What are the different consensus mechanisms? What are altcoins? What are exchanges? Where do you buy your coins? How do you store your coins? Everything is covered in this beginner's course. It's very, very detailed. It's in video format and in text format. And Right now, if you know nothing about cryptocurrencies, if you go through all of this, you will have a very solid understanding of how it all works, how to buy them, how to sell them, and how to securely store them once you own them. The fourth component is a cryptocurrency trading course. So again, in the members area, as soon as you join, you will have instant access to a very detailed and comprehensive course about money management, technical analysis, and trading. There's more than 20 videos inside this course, and basically I personally have over a decade of experience with charts, forex, trading, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and everything I've learned, I've broken this down into this course to be able to share my insights, experience, and strategies about these topics in a way that's easy for anyone to digest and to understand. Okay, so I'm going to share with you my most effective chart patterns so that you are able to recognize setups on charts to help you improve your entry and exit points for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. And of course, these strategies can also be applied to outside the cryptocurrency space, to forex, to stocks, to commodities, because the system is the same for all these different asset classes. The fifth aspect of intelligent cryptocurrency, as a member, you get access to special reports. So basically in the members area, over time, there will be more and more reports added. And these will be specific reports going into detail about specific topics, such as, for example, there's a report about privacy and security. So these are recommendations for ways to help you secure your online habits, your browsing history, your cryptocurrency, to help you reduce the potential ability of getting hacked or having your crypto stolen or anything like that. There's a report on how to build a cryptocurrency portfolio. This is especially useful if you're starting from scratch. There's also a report about how to create an exit strategy, because there's no point in purchasing the cryptocurrencies and riding it all the way up if you don't know when to exit and you ride it all the way back down again. Well, then you can end up losing more than you started with. So all these special reports go into a lot of detail about their topic and just make it really easy to access and learn about specific information. But the biggest key that you get when you join Intelligent Cryptocurrency is the following. Now, the journey to being successful with cryptocurrencies, it's not easy, okay? Especially if you're completely new, if you're relatively not good with tech, with computers and anything like that. I understand, okay? My parents want nothing to do with cryptocurrencies because they don't understand the technology and it's too difficult. You know, they struggle just to use the internet and use email and things like that. So understand. And if you try and do this on your own, it's difficult, okay? There's a lot of scams out there, people trying to take advantage of all the newbies, and because it's a new technology and because it's largely unregulated, there's a lot of scams out there. There's a lot of tech hurdles to overcome, okay? It's getting better and it's improving all the time. It's becoming easier, but it's still not as easy as and intuitive as it could be and as it probably will be in multiple years from now. There's something that is called shitcoins in the industry. Basically what it means, they're cryptocurrency coins or tokens that are basically worthless, and it's just part of the scam system. You know, there's a lot of people who go and create their own cryptocurrency and say it's going to be the next big thing, and then it actually never is, you know. And obviously if you buy these types of coins, well, then you're probably going to lose your money. Of course, there's other things also happening like market manipulation, things like that. So there's all sorts of hurdles that prevent most people from getting into cryptocurrencies and being successful with them. And the way to circumvent these problems, the way to overcome them, is with these two things. It is with education and it is with the community. The education to help you understand how it all works, with detailed tutorials and over-the-shoulder training to help you navigate all these problems, to help you get to where you want to be. And the second aspect is having a community of people, cryptocurrency investors all around the world, people who are more experienced than you, and people that you can talk to, ask questions to. You know, if you're stuck with anything, you just post in a community and you have that support from other people, you know, and sharing ideas, and you know that this community is there to help you, right? This community is there. It's like your safe space. It's not a place like online on social media, you know, where, yes, there's a lot of people talking about cryptocurrency, but all of them have their own agendas, and a lot of them are just trying to scam you or promote their own little agenda, you know? You want a private community that's safe, where there's no sponsored content and no hidden agendas and no Ponzi schemes being promoted, all that kind of stuff. So, as part of Intelligent Cryptocurrency, the sixth aspect is a private Discord chat group. And this is where you have access to myself personally, but also all the other members inside Intelligent Cryptocurrency. And a Discord chat group, basically it's an application that you can access from anywhere. So from your phone, from your mobile, from your tablet, it's 24/7, 365. Okay, you get your own private username and login. And inside this Discord chat group, we have over a dozen different channels with different topics. Okay, so we talk about market updates, project updates, there's technical analysis, we share charts and patterns, there's market discussions, and much more. And when you join, you get instant access to this diverse community of people all around the world. We literally have people in Europe, in Asia, in America, in Australia, and they're all interested in cryptocurrencies, but also in other parts of investing, such as stocks, real estate, and other investments. And we do regularly chat about those different categories too. So that's the cool part. Not only do you get to talk about cryptocurrencies and learn about crypto, you get to connect with people all around the world, diversified into all sorts of investments, some who are very wealthy, some who are very successful, some who have a lot of knowledge, and you can just gain access to this network. Additionally, you also get direct access to me personally, and you have your chance to get your questions answered in real time. And to make it even more awesome and to help you get more benefit from being part of Intelligent Cryptocurrency is you get access to my personal buy and sell movements. Now, as a disclaimer, these are not signals. It is not financial advice. Basically, what I do is I share what I'm personally doing with my own money, with my own cryptocurrencies, so that you can learn from it. And whatever you want to do with this information is your choice and your risk. But basically, in the Discord chat groups, whenever I buy something or whenever I sell something, I will share the levels where I buy it in and the levels where I sell it out and targets and things like that. And you can see over there from the screenshot, sometimes, just a 32% gain on a trade, sometimes much more than that, sometimes less than that. But in general, I'm actively buying and selling cryptocurrencies, and I share these trades with the members of Intelligent Cryptocurrency personally. Now I want you to do the math. $4,879. Here's an example of a coin called Kava against the US dollar. Okay, in a period of a few months, it had an ROI of 494%. If you would have put $500 into that, it could have turned into as much as $2,470. Okay, that's just from one single coin, $500 turning into almost $2,500 in a period of a few months. But a 500% gain can actually be considered small in certain cases in the cryptocurrency space. That's what's so amazing about the space. Look at this example. So this is a project that used to be called Lend. It has since rebranded to Aave. And in a period of September 2019 to July 2020, so in less than a year, it returned a 11,800% gain. So that's 118x. Having put $500 into Lend in September in 2019 could have turned into as much as $59,000 within a year. And Lend was one of my personal favorite coins since early 2017 already. I saw the potential in this project. I shared a lot of my research about this project, and you can see massive ROI potential. And I believe there will be many more coins that over the months and years will produce returns of enormous proportions. If you're wondering if this will work for you, if I'm a total beginner, yes, this will work for you. There's a complete A to Z Bitcoin and cryptocurrency for beginners course inside the members area. Will this work for you if you are foreign? Yes, it will, as long as you can understand English, of course, because then you can go through all the education material, you can interact with the community, but also, yes, it will work for you if you're foreign. Now, not all coins and exchanges are accessible to all citizens. So, of course, if you're American, you're going to have to work with US-based exchanges. If you're European, you generally tend to go for European-based exchanges. If you're Australian, you tend to use Australian-based exchanges. But all this information and these resources I do provide inside the members area, and you'll be able to find all the right tools and services and exchanges that work for you in your specific situation. Whether you're old or young, yes, this will work for you. Anyone can learn how to work with cryptocurrencies. And that is one of the benefits of being part of Intelligent Cryptocurrency. You have access to all the education material, so you can learn from scratch at your own pace, but you also have access to the community where you can ask questions, get support, and have guidance to help you do this. The same thing goes for if you're not very technical and you don't know how to use computers very well, and all of this stuff seems difficult. All of it, again, is broken down in the training tutorials, in the beginner's course, and of course you have access to the community to help you as much as possible. And if you're wondering, what about this 14-day action-based refund guarantee? It's exactly that. It's a guarantee. So there's no risk for you. You are literally only at risk of losing a bit of your time. When you join, go through the training, go through the material, go through the members area, join the community, interact with us. And if you're not happy within 14 days, just let us know and we'll give you a full refund of your purchase. And look, if you are still on the fence and you still haven't joined this yet, just think about this, okay? If you are interested in cryptocurrencies in any way, and you're gonna try and do this on your own without joining Intelligent Cryptocurrency, without the education, without the community, without the support, look at all the risks, okay? There's the risk of buying the wrong coins and having your investment go to zero. There's a risk of buying in high, which most people do. They tend to buy when everyone buys, buying near the top, and then it drops and they sell out during the lows. It's an easy, guaranteed way to lose most of your money. Falling for scams. There's many different scams. We do our best to share as many of them. Whenever a scam pops up, we share it in the members areas just to help people avoid this as much as possible. Okay, there's also all sorts of risks of, getting hacked if you don't know what you're doing online, if you're using the wrong browsers, the wrong internet habits, all that kind of stuff. Okay, if you're going to try and do this on your own, you will likely lose at least $2,000 just trying to do this and trying to figure this out. Trust me, I've made a lot of mistakes on my own and I've lost tens of thousands of dollars doing the wrong things. And all of this experience, you can learn from my mistakes so you don't need to make those same mistakes. For example, look at the screenshot over here on the left from someone who posted on Reddit. They fell for an obvious scam, and this happens more than you'd actually believe. Okay, you might think, oh, that would never happen to me. I'd never be so stupid. Unfortunately, there's a lot of scammers and there's a lot of people that actually fall for these scams. And this person invested more than $500,000 into BitConnect. BitConnect was a big Ponzi that ultimately collapsed. And basically, this person actually used a business loan to do this. One of the worst things that you could do, okay? So, again, don't try and do this on your own. Get the education, get the support, get the community to help increase your chances of success as much as possible. So hopefully I'll see you inside Intelligent Cryptocurrency. Go to intelligentcryptocurrency.com/join, sign up, and I will see you on the inside.